Alright, welcome back to the YouTube, everybody. Today I'm working on one of my least favorite things, equipment. It's got a C18 in it that needs a turbo replaced. Let's see. Alright, this C18's got a compound turbo setup. This smaller turbo is pushing oil. Actually, like when you shut it off, it'll leak back into the exhaust manifold. So you can kind of see that little droplet down there, and then the entire manifold is full of oil. So that's what we got to replace today. All right, first thing, it's going to be all this piping, removing that out of the way, intake plumbing, charge air tubes, whatnot, clearing that out so we can get to that turbo. Alright, got most of the intake piping out of the way. Next up is this exhaust crossover. It goes from the little turbo to the big one. Let's do it. Look at that. There's the problem. Nice. All right, we're ready to come out with this turbo. Got everything unhooked. All right, parts switched over, new turbo. And there's the old pile. That's on there. Alright, new turbos in, exhaust and charge air piping's hooked up. Just got to do intake piping on the other side. Alright, everything's in. First start up. See how she does. appreciate you guys watching. We're all finished up out here. Turbo replaced, customer happy. She runs fine, no leaks. So catch you guys on the next one.